Even a person of your impudence, your insulting boldness, should have known not to say that in public. Does impudence mean speed, boldness, stupidity, or impatience? Looking at the sentence for clues, we see that after the word impudence, there's a comma, and the sentence gives us a definition: your insulting boldness. From here we can see impudence means some sort of shamelessness or brazenness. Let's take a look at our choices and see which one fits best. Speed can be eliminated, as can stupidity and impatience, as none of them have anything to do with our definition. We're left with the answer B, boldness, and as a further clue that this is our answer, we see the sentence in its given definition uses the word boldness as well. Therefore, the answer is B, boldness.